Is that so good? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today's Saturday, August 11th, and it's gonna be 6 already. It's 5:55 in the afternoon. So we're getting a super late start to the video, but we're on our way to Laredo right now to a cookout with Jessica and Sean and Brayden. They also have a YouTube channel, but I don't think she's uploaded anything. But we're going to a cookout with them. It just finished raining. There's a rainbow. I don't know if they can see it. No, you can't see it. It's like right,
drift right here.
It's right there. You can't really see it. But this afternoon, Bert covered a piece of the microwave, like the chunk that was missing. If you guys remember, I'll insert the clip right here so that you guys can see him doing that and painting it. Just got back from Mexico, right? And she bought baby a pack of Duvalines. What would you say these are?
They're
dulce cremoso, sabores fresa y vainilla.
But they're like what kind of candy? What can we compare it to?
I don't know, like it's just like a cream. It's like frosting.
It's pretty much like the Oreo cream filling, but in a little tray.
And it's strawberry and vanilla flavored. And now she wants more. But she bought her the strawberry and vanilla flavored, and that's what she was doing right now. I don't know why I look like a ghost, but there's so many rainbows in this guy. She had it to her mouth and she was licking it, and then she got me some of these. These are so good. They're called Garrampiñado, but they're like peanuts, right? Like candied peanuts.
Mommy.
They're so good.
Mommy.
Yeah, yes. You want what? Say peanut. No, what is that? Say Duvalin. Say Duvalin. Can you say it? Mean.
Can you give her another one?
She's not gonna stop asking for it. I'm gonna give her another one. We're on our way to Laredo, so we'll probably get there like around 6:30, 6:45. Shut up. Bad parenting.
It is.
Why?
Don't give them because they want it.
Excuse me? The guy who's willing to give her more than 3 yogurts in a row?
It's a yogurt, it's
really?
not candy.
So it what?
What? Do you read how much fucking sugar that thing has inside?
It's 80 calories, 80 grams, mommy. 80 calories.
No, 80 calories you cannot.
80 calories per pack.
Calories, I don't give a shit about calories.
What about sugar?
It has 10 grams of sugar per each one of those.
It's like 1 pack of yogurt.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is too. There's no more. It's just a box. So yeah. She's just gonna be crying the whole way there. So we're just gonna go. We'll see you guys in a second. Now, vamos, vamos. Let's go inside. Let's go play with Brayden. Ready? Yeah?
Get it.
Say hi, guys. Tell them I'm playing with Brayden. Brayden. Say Brayden. Okay. You playing with Brayden?
Oh shit, now he's all excited.
What's up, guys? Okay, so it's been a couple days since the last time we picked up the camera and vlogged, but today we're doing things a little bit differently. Baby's here, as you guys can hear her. Say hi.
Baby.
You have your babies? Say hi, guys. She's wearing her bow that a subscriber sent for her. I forgot your name. It was a while back that she sent her these glitter bows and a whole bunch of other ones. And they just matched perfectly with her outfit today. She's all dressed up and ready to go because she's going to church with her grandparents, with Bert's parents. And so that's gonna give me a couple hours to be able to do stuff here at home that I cannot do with her being here. And the reason I haven't vlogged is because, or the reason why I haven't picked up the camera to vlog is because I already started party planning her second birthday party, which is insane because I cannot believe that she's already gonna be 2 in like 4 months. And it just blows my mind how I'm about to have a 2-year-old. I've already started doing that, going over things with my mom, because my mom's the one who helps me the most with doing everything. And we're just like, we do everything ourselves. So, like, of course we get stuff done, we pay for stuff, but we've always liked to do things ourselves. I said all this for her first birthday party. We just enjoy doing arts and crafts, even though I'm not as good as my mom at arts and crafts, because she's the one who knows how to do everything and I just put scraps and pieces together and we make it work. It ends up looking beautiful. So we're already going over little things that we're gonna make, things that we're gonna do for her birthday party and stuff, so I'm super excited about that. And then the other night we were about to take a shower and I looked up to the corner of my house and I had like the tree ants. We have really big trees outside our house and they're ants that are like this big. I'm not even kidding. They're freaking huge ants and they have wings. They fly. So I was like, oh hell no, we're not gonna take a shower. So I sprayed them with Raid for the ants and roaches or whatever. Thank God I had a can. And I sprayed them and then like a crap ton of them came out and they started flying everywhere. So you better believe that we were both yelling and coughing and everything. I put a towel under the door. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna have to go outside and check where they're coming in from, because the branches from our trees like hit our house. So that's why they're coming into our house. Those little suckers make holes in the walls to come inside. So I'm gonna have to go buy like a foam or something. I don't know if they're carving through wood, they're gonna go through foam. But at least it's gonna stop them from coming inside for a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm also going to clean, but I just wanted to update you guys real quick. I'm sorry I've been talking for like 2 minutes already. You look so cute. Huh?
A book.
You got a book. You look so cute with your little outfit.
Baby.
Are you gonna take your baby to church?
Baby. And baby. And baby.
Are you gonna take your baby to church? I just suck at this vlogging thing lately, you guys. It's again the next day already. But I'm just gonna close out this video. I'm gonna close it out. Say hi. I'm gonna close out this video just so that I can edit it and upload it and start this week fresh, because I just keep dragging on this video and it's going nowhere. It's going absolutely nowhere. So I just came back on here to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that I've been away. I have my August BoxyCharm that I still haven't opened. It is still closed, you guys. But I want to use everything in my box to create a video. And then I have these products right here too. Well, I got sent back the Morphe Bolt palette with Jaclyn Hill. I had ordered this with my friend who got it in Vegas, and then we sent it back because of all that thing that happened. And so then we got sent the Volt back plus like the free stuff. So we also got sent this Morphe gel liner, and I don't know if it's called Blend the Rules or if it's called Jets. I'm not sure. I've never tried their liners, but we got this one. And then we got a highlighter. This is the High Impact highlighter. Again, I don't know if this is in the shade Extra or no, I guess it's not Blend the Rules because this is on the other box too. I think it's called Get Lit. I never ordered from Morphe, so I would not know. And then I'm excited to try this out. This is the setting spray, but it's a continuous setting mist, and I cannot wait to try this. Maybe I'll order some more of this because I sprayed it on my face the other day just to try it, and it was so good. So I have all 4 palettes. Let me know which one you guys want me to use first, and I will do that for you guys. I'm also going to show you guys the kitchen because I know the beginning of this video, this is what we were doing. Bert did cover this part for me already from the kitchen, and then I just put that little sign up there. Yeah, you're eating a pear, not an apple. This sign says welcome to our roost, and then over here I put this sign that says welcome to our home. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I keep touching my hair. I just hate having it down when it's wet. Daddy is at work. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch some TV, and I'm gonna edit this video. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.